Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider, the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today I've got something from... This actually comes from the fellow who runs ExoticNoods.com. If you go to ExoticNoods.com and use the coupon code the Ramen Raider, you'll get a fancy discount. But you'll notice on the side of the box, it says the Ramen Raider. There is also shop.theramenraider.com where you can get all sorts of neat instant noodles, some really good stuff on there. So check it out, yeah, shop.theramenraider.com. I put a call out for varieties I hadn't tried, and there's a couple in here that my buddy saw that I hadn't tried. So I was like, okay, let's do this. Cool, thank you. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. Oh, cool. Rad. It just gets me that sometimes people can figure out things that I haven't tried before and I had no idea or even thought about it. And it's just like, yep, you guys follow my stuff pretty closely, so thank you very much. I appreciate it. The first one we have is a variety from Menraku. This is their Tonkatsu Ramen, and I'm floored that I haven't tried this. It just seems like I would have because I've tried so many of these Menraku bowls. But I guess this one just slipped past me. I've had things do that, so cool, thank you. And another untried Menraku variety. This is their Miso Tonkatsu taste straight noodle. These are really good. I generally really like these straight noodles. They come out nice. The noodle has a nice bit of floweriness. The noodle has a nice floweriness to it, which is kind of like the Hakata thing. Good stuff. I haven't had it, but I know it's going to be good. So cool. Thank you. Well, thank you very much to Daniel for sending this on over. This is really helpful. I'm like almost completely out of noodles, and you might think, how is that possible? But it is. I've reviewed quite a few, and with the inability to travel outside the country right now, this is very helpful. So again, thank you very much. And don't forget, go check out ExoticNoods.com. Use the coupon code the Ramen Raider for a discount. I believe you can use that same coupon code at shop.theramenraider.com if you want. So yeah. All right, this has been Hans. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye.